Right, new video today for your work van, guys. So we make so many cool things here, but people often complain that we just focus very much on the camper van market and the cool and getting things low market. So we've developed something for your regular panel van workman market. So you may notice from this seating position that I'm sitting further back. So this vehicle has our new bulkhead extenders. Now I'm going to hand you over to Mikey to show you how easy it is to fit these bulkhead extenders, but in short it means that this bulkhead sits further back, which means you'll know, everybody will know if they've got seats in their Transporter with a bulkhead, that you end up feeling like you're sitting really close to the seat and really cramped, whereas now I'm sitting much more laid back, comfortable car-like position. Now this bulkhead extender is already fitted in here. I've just asked Mikey what he thinks of it, and he said it's the best modification he's ever done to this van. And if you've seen this van, you'll see it's heavily modified, but he absolutely loves it. It's transformed the drive of it. So over to Mikey for a Mikey Fits, and he's going to show you how easy it is to fit the new Transporter HQ bulkhead extenders.
Today we've got a Mikey Fits, not a Mitch Fits, we've got a Mikey Fits. Something that's always bugged me, I love a bulkheading because it keeps the noise down and stops things from in the back coming into the front, but I'm pretty tall, I'm 6'1", and I always find my knees are pretty much in the dashboard, in the passenger seat, they definitely are. So for years I've wanted a bulkhead extension. So here we go, we have the bulkhead extension. So you can use your factory bulkhead and you can extend it out with this kit now. So we'll show you how it works, how it fits together. This comes with all the hardware to bolt it in. And there's no cutting, drilling or anything like that required. It's literally bolt out and bolt in. So this is my first go at doing it. So let's have a go and see how easy it is. So first things first, the top bolts, they're T30s, and you have to remove the plastic trim inside the engine bed, inside the interior. So that's the 4 T30s across the top. They're safe now. Next up we have the 10mm bits that go all the way around the top half. So that's the top half out. Some people leave them all together. It makes it a lot easier when putting this extender in if you take the top and the bottom out separately. Now we'll do, again, the bottom with the 10mm. Power tools aren't required. You can use normal spanner or socket. It's just speeds it up a little bit. So now we're going to start putting in the extensions. These are 40mm thicker, so it moves the bulkhead back 40mm. It's just enough to start feeling more comfortable while you're driving and still get a nice big load in the back. So if you're using it as a work van, you're not losing too much space in the back. You've got the 2 side pieces. They only fit one side each because of the shapes of the bottom. This is the top piece and this is the bottom that you'll see as we put them in now. So that is locating the holes you'll see locate over the original screw holes, which are around the edge. And then you use the nuts that you removed earlier on to secure it on. Next, the bottom piece. Again, use the hardware we took out earlier on. Now get the base back in. These bolt in with the hardware that's been supplied with the kit. Next up, we have to put this plate onto the top of the bulkhead with the supplied screws. Okay, now this is on. We'll take it into the van and fit it in. Right, so I'll put all the bolts in all the way around. They're loose at the moment, just because we've got to go the other side and put the Torx back in the front side, so we might need a little bit of play. Now we'll tighten them all up. And to finish, we'll put the strip back in the top. So there we go, that is fitted. It took me probably about half an hour, 40 minutes, but I was in between calls and things like that. Nice, easy installation. It looks really smart. You can hardly tell it's there if you didn't know it was there. Both sides look really nice. And I've been able to recline my seat a bit more, so that's the beauty of it, and you'll be much happier while driving.
So that's it fitted. So these are available on our website now. We'll put the link in the description below, so you can just head straight there. So Mikey may have already said, but these fit T5, T5.1, T6, T6.1. So all the Transporter platforms, the bulkheads are the same, and this extender will work across them all, give you so much more comfort to your van if you've got a bulkhead in there. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do share this with anybody that may have a bulkhead in their van and they want that extra bit of room. Please do like the video. The more you like it, the more YouTube shares it to other people. Subscribe to the channel for plenty more videos like this and loads of other updates on the Dream Build and various other things. And as always, thanks for watching.